Here we are on the morning after the blizzard. Isaiah's eating German pancake, strawberries, and kefir. You almost done, buddy? Got this little fire going up here. We also have our electric supplement heater. Snow has been carved clean around the front windward side of the house. There's drifts several feet deep. Obviously, that's a fence post. We also had some snow blow through the crack in the window. And of course, just a bit of snow against the front door. Like, a lot. We're gonna have to go out and start shoveling, Isaiah. Oh, there's my shovel. The wind the way it is, it's hard to keep any air from coming in around the cracks on the door. Take water out to the chickens too. About ready to go out and get to work, buddy? Hi, Josie. I think Mommy's watching the weather report downstairs.